Hello and welcome. Today I'm introducing another dynamic block that significantly speeds up your drafting process. This one is a shelf layout block designed specifically for cabinets, both for elevations and sections. In total, it includes 12 dynamic blocks, 6 for elevations and 6 for sections. Its main strength is letting you place shelves evenly with minimal effort, something that normally takes a lot of time and calculations. Shelf thickness is standard, 3/4, and the dot-dashed lines, don't worry, they won't print. They are just visual guides to help you position everything accurately in your drawing. Let's see how you can use this dynamic block in your workflow. All you need to do is specify how many shelves you want and adjust it to your cabinet size using a simple stretch function. This block can really streamline your workflow, especially when you're working on repetitive details. What used to take hours can now take just minutes. If you're working in Millwork drafting and want more tools like this, be sure to check out millworkdrafts.com and follow the page for more time-saving blocks and updates.